Introducing my brand new Audi R8 rear-wheel drive edition. V10 540 brake horsepower driven by the rear wheels only. This car is insane and I cannot wait to get started with it. Behind the scenes at the moment, the team are currently working on a full range of new products for the Audi R8, which is very, very exciting. So obviously as we've got one now, it would be rude not to make a load of parts for it.
Today we're going to be doing the first modifications, which is going to be giving it some lows with the MSS hybrid adjustable spring kit.
This is going to be the first mod on my Audi R8 and I'm super excited because I hate the ride height at the moment. I think it looks awful. For a supercar, I'm not very happy with it, to be honest.
It looks like it's the off-road version, the Storato version of the R8.
The Gen 3 Audi R8s sound rubbish. This is considerably lighter than the OEM system as well. They're made with stainless steel 304 grade material. The Milltek system has been fitted and we've just started it up and heard it and it sounds insane. Let me give you some revs now. What we'll do now is let's take it out for a drive, get some drive-bys and see what it's like out on the road. Just arrived at QS Tuning. They are our tuning partners. Let's get the car on the dyno now, see where it runs stock, get the map on and go from there. So the car is bone stock. It only has the Milltek OPF back and it has ran 550 brake horsepower, which is pretty mad.
We end up with 613.5 horsepower, 563 newton meters, with 550 horsepower and 520 newton meters. So we got really good gains there.
Yep.
Like we were saying, with that extra 750 RPM and it's still climbing, looking at the graph, I'd estimate we've probably got another 25 to 30 horsepower on tap there.
Lovely.
So
but obviously this dyno,
I'd comfortably say it's a 630 horsepower car.
we are going to start attempting to build an Audi R8 GT, but better. So I've gone for a 20-inch forged wheel, but this is fully custom by a British company named 2Forge. I'm getting rid of the factory Pirelli P0s, which are awful, and stepping up to a wider PS4S. Shout out Michelin for them. Wah, wah. In a safe place, just give it a little wiggle carefully, and the old steering wheel's up. You can give this area quite a big tug and then this side will pop out. I've just pulled up at a very nice location. Let's jump out of the car now and get some cinematics and show you guys what the car looks like now. So far we've done the wheels and tyres, suspension, exhaust and tuning. Next week it's getting a full body kit. We've got a lot of carbon going on the car today. Introducing AUTOID's full TRE kit for the Gen 2 R8, consisting of quite a lot of parts. Starting off with a full pre-preg front splitter, super aggressive, but should allow a lot of clearance on the road, especially with how low my car is. Also, got a set of front canards paired up with that front splitter. It's going to look unreal. An extremely aggressive rear diffuser. A set of new side skirts to complement the rest of the body kit. So now we know what parts are going on the car. Let's get them all on now because I can't wait any longer. That was easy, wasn't it, Kai?
Yeah.
So we've got both diffusers laid out now. We're going to transfer the tips and everything over onto the new diffuser.